Welcome back to our English listening practice series. Before we begin, make sure you're prepared to enhance your listening skills. Grab a notepad and pen or use a note-taking app because, in each conversation, we will present you with 5 questions to test your understanding. After each conversation, you will have a chance to answer the questions. So, get ready to engage, learn, and practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Let's start our conversation.
Mariel, you are from Finland.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I am.
What city are you from?
I live in a city called Espoo, which is right next to Helsinki, but I was born in the center of Finland in a place called Jyväskylä.
Right in the middle.
Yeah, pretty much right in the middle.
So is that way out in nature in the forest, or is it a big city?
It's a reasonable sized city, maybe the 5th largest in Finland. But it is a very natural place still. It's surrounded by lakes and forests and lots of cliffs and really beautiful scenery. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, I love it there. I go back there every year to visit my hometown.
Now, does your family still live in your hometown?
No, they live down south near Helsinki.
Okay. Is that common? Everybody moves to the big city?
Pretty much, yeah. Especially young people. They want to get jobs and go to schools in near Helsinki. Yeah.
Now, is Finland part of the European Union?
Yes, it is, since 1995.
Okay. So because it's part of the European Union, do a lot of young people decide to leave Finland and go live in other countries?
The Finnish young people are actually very outgoing and they're very interested in foreign cultures. So a lot of people take a year or two just to travel, just to see the world, visit some places. And yeah, a lot of people go out to other countries to study as well. Yep, mainly Europe, but also a lot of my friends, for example, went to India for 6 months or to South America.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sounds fun.
yeah.
But because you're in the European Union, you can go live in France or Germany or Spain if
Yeah.
you want, correct?
Yeah, it's very easy. Just go.
But do most Finnish people prefer to stay in Finland, or do a lot of people like to go move to warmer climates?
Finnish people are very patriotic. We really love our country. We like to visit other places, but I think even if we live abroad for a long time, most people always come back to Finland. I think especially if they want to have a family, because Finland is a very safe place and it's very good to raise your kids in Finland.
That sounds like a nice place.
Yeah, I think so. You should come and visit.
Oh, I'd love to. Before, musicians, like you said, used to wear ripped jeans, jeans with big holes or rips in them.
Oh yeah, that was in the 80s.
Okay, maybe that was my generation. So that's not popular anymore?
Some people like to wear ripped jeans, yeah, still. But mainly the rips are quite neat, so they're usually ripped a little bit around the pockets or around the cuffs, you know, the bottom part of the jeans?
Oh, okay, yeah. Um, that sounds like designer jeans maybe then. Like, are they specifically made just for that style?
Well, yeah, actually, quite often the jeans you buy in the store are already ripped or already worn. So they look like they're old, but they're brand new.
But designer jeans can be really expensive, right?
Oh, they can be very expensive. But people are willing to pay the money because they're designer jeans. They're cool.
Well, how much do you pay for jeans?
Oh, I can pay up to 120 euros for jeans.
120 euros.
Yeah,
That's a
yeah.
lot of money.
It's a lot of money, yeah, especially because I'm a student, but I'm willing to put the money into it if the jeans fit very well.
Just lastly about jeans, these days there's many different colors. You have the light blue jeans or the darker blue jeans. Which colors do you like to wear?
Ah, that depends on the time of the year, actually. In the summer, I like to wear light blue jeans, and then in the winter, I sometimes wear black jeans or really dark blue jeans.
Oh, that's interesting. So you change the color by season.
Yeah, generally, I think I wear more darker clothes in the winter.
Well, just offhand, how many jeans do you think you have? How many pairs do you have at home?
I think I have about 8 or 9 pairs.
That's a lot.
That's a lot, but actually, I use only 2 pairs of them.
Your favorites?
Yeah, my favorite jeans, and they're baggy.
Okay, thanks, Marielle.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Now, Marielle, what kind of clothes do you love to wear?
Oh, my favorite clothing is jeans, for sure.
Okay, so you then are the jeans expert.
I could be. What would you like to know?
Okay, well, there's so many kinds of jeans now, and it's a bit confusing. So, what is trendy or popular right now?
Oh, right now, you see different kinds of trends, but I think tight jeans and baggy jeans are very popular.
Okay, wow, that's quite a difference.
It's a contrast, yeah.
Okay, let's start with the baggy jeans.
Okay.
First of all, who likes to wear baggy jeans?
I think baggy jeans go with the hip hop kind of style. Also, skateboarders really like to wear baggy jeans. People who like to feel relaxed and move around a lot are usually baggy jean fans.
What about you? Do you like to wear baggy jeans?
Oh, those are my favorite kind of jeans.
Your
Yeah.
favorite?
Yeah, I love to wear baggy jeans.
Why is that?
It's just that they're so easy to wear and so relaxed, and I can just do whatever I want in baggy jeans, I feel.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Well, then what about tight jeans?
Tight jeans, to me, they're very uncomfortable, but a lot of girls like to wear them.
Now, usually only girls wear tight jeans?
Oh, some guys do as well. Again, those people are usually very trendy, and it's quite often that punk people and rock people wear tight jeans.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for joining us today. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future sessions, please leave a comment below. Your input is important to us. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving. Until next time, happy learning and take care.